here's a level 15 type question. Graph y is equal to negative 7 over 25, x plus 9 all squared minus 2, and y is equal to 6/11 x minus 17, and find the points of intersection. The vertex, the h and k, the h is negative 9, because it's x minus h, it's the opposite of whatever this is, and the k is negative 2, so negative 9, negative 2. Go to my parabola tool, click. Then I want to find a nice point to put the p. My x is negative 9, and then figure out what my y is equal to negative 7 over 25 times the x value plus 9, close the brackets, square that, minus 2. When x is negative 9, we have minus 2. We want to divide by 25, so I'm going to put x is equal to minus 4 to get a 5 in here squared. It's going to give us a 25, which is going to cancel with that. And when x is minus 4, we end up getting negative 9, which makes sense because the parabola is opening down, negative 4, negative 9, like that. Then the line is crossing the y-axis at negative 17. Put my b here. The slope is 6/11. Move over 11 and up 6. Then the points of intersection. We can't read them off the graph because they're integer values. We are using the comparison method, systems of equations, because these x's and y's are equal at the point of intersection. We can say that these two equations must be equal. I have a common denominator of 11 times 25, which is 275. I multiply each term by 275. That gives me 150x minus 4,675 is equal to negative 77 times x plus 9 all squared minus 550. Square the x plus 9. That gives me x squared plus 18x plus 81. Square the first term 2 times the first times the last. Square the last term. Then I'm going to multiply everything inside the bracket by negative 77. And that gives me negative 77x squared minus 1,386x minus 6,237, then minus the 550. I subtracted the 150x from both sides, so we have minus 150x here. Then I added 4,675 to both sides. Add the like terms. That gives us negative 77x squared minus 1,536x minus 2,112. Then run that through the quadratic equation. We get our x1 is negative 1.48564, and x2 is negative 18.46240. Then I'm going to feed both of these values into the line equation because it's a little easier than the parabola equation. And we get y1 is equal to 6/11 times negative 1.48564 minus 17, and that gives us negative 17.81035. y2 is 6/11 times the negative 18.46240 minus 17, and that gives us negative 27.07041. Then we go back to the program and plug that in. The intersections are negative 1.4854. Let's see if that makes sense. Negative 1.4. Okay, the y value is negative 17.81. Let's move over here and look at this one. Negative 18.4624 and negative 27.07. Okay, that does make sense. Those 2 points seem to work. Then we press answer to see if we're right. And that's it for level 15. Have a good day.